We have a Roadster 3.7 with power steering, one owner car, 16,700 miles, sport green black leather, overriders, mesh grille on the alloys, so it makes it a particularly nice driving car. It's got a remote grease kit, extra wing treads, round door mirrors, chrome interior mirror, elasticated door pockets, stainless check straps, lock covers and cross member covers, walnut dashboard, Moto-Lita steering wheel, roll bar with the diagonal if required, luggage rack with sidescreen storage, supplied by us from new local car. New Morgan is the reason for sale. Traditional hood, which was what the customer requested at spec time originally. He also has a plus 8 of 1980 vintage, and this was the modern interpretation of his earlier car. Extremely nice example and available through Alan White Sports Cars.